In today's video, we will be showing you how to do a minimal texture art on a canvas which is A3 size. In this video, I will also be showing you a few things what not to do while making texture art. The products I'll be using for this project are spatulas and scraping tools and texture tools. These tools are used in baking also. So for my texture paste, I will be mixing gesso with acrylic wall putty. All you have to do is take the required amount of wall putty in a container and add around 2 to 3 spoons of gesso in it. Mix well with a spatula. Make sure that you get a nice smooth paste and see to that there aren't any lumps in the paste. Once the paste is ready, it's time to make our texture art. With the help of a spatula, spread the texture paste evenly all over the canvas. Once our canvas is ready, we can start making textures with the texture tool. So while using the texture tool, make sure that your hand is very steady and you do it very slowly and you do not stop it abruptly, and make sure that the texture is completed at one go without any kind of pause. As you can see in the video how I stopped the texture tool in the middle and how it turned out. So never stop it abruptly. Another thing, try not to scrape out the bad part and try to fix it again by continuing the texture, because it will not turn out good at all. If you don't like the design you've made, scrape it out, make an even surface and start it all over again. The more you practice it, the better your texture will come out, and be very patient while doing so. I forgot to film this part, so what I did was I wanted to give the background a texture. So I took a sponge and I made texture on the background. After letting my texture dry out for at least 24 hours, I painted the background with white gesso and then painted my texture with the desired color. I usually paint 2 coats of acrylic paint for a nice opaque finish. And there you go, my texture art is ready. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching Sequoia Arts.